Every year, millions of people and marine animals face danger from ocean hazards. From rising tides to plastic pollution, the threat is growing and yet. Hello judges, this is the dashboard of Aquacentra, where we have features like view map, report hazard and get started, and platform features as shown. And we also have some information about the users. Going back to the top, our next page, which is a live map, where we can see one global image, where suppose we have a hazard which can be notified directly and seen. For example, here at Thiruvananthapuram, we can see there's a hazard. Going back to the top, now the second page, which is the post, where online hazard reports are given. These can be posted and reviewed and also commented by giving our name, suppose Bob, and sharing our thoughts regarding the hazard. For example, very critical. We can then submit the review. And as you can see, the review is submitted. We can also like and comment and as well as share. And we can copy the link as well. And as you can see, the review is submitted. Going back to the top, the next is analytics page, where our analytical dashboard is shown, where we can see total hazards and the trend, monthly trend as well as weekly trend. And also there are some features like alert severity distribution and alert timeline, which will give us 24-hour alert timeline. The next is a social media page, where social media feed is shown, which can be taken from Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. Going back to the top, now we have alerts, where we can see the emergency alerts from various states. And it can be seen in this page. You can also contact us through email. And as we see that we can mail it directly to the website. And also office details are there. We can also create a post by giving the hazard type, the severity of the hazard, the title, the description about the hazard, the location of where the hazard has been taken place, our name, date. Here, suppose we give the location Majiwada, Thane, so it will be detected directly. After selecting the date according to the calendar, we can upload the photo or video with a maximum file size of 20 MB. We can directly submit it and you will be notified. Then going to the internet, where we can see as it is a multilingual, then we have a number of options for the languages. We can also log in, where we have to put our email and a password. Or if not logged in, we can directly sign in. Going back again to the dashboard, you can also contact us by calling emergency and get in touch with us by sending a message, writing your name, your email, the subject, and the message of the inquiry, and send the message, which will be notified again. You can also call the emergency hotline, and the emergency hotline number is also given. Thank you.